Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you iOS 26.1 to start 30 hidden features Apple didn't tell you about. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The iOS 26.1 update has officially arrived for all iPhone devices, and this one is no small. Apple has added more than 30 new features and tweaks that can change the overall look of the system while improving privacy, visuals, and performance. So we'll go through it and help you decide whether it's really worth updating, especially if you're worried about battery life or performance. First, update size. The update is quite large, about 8 GB. It may vary from one device to another. If you're already on the RC version, last beta, you will receive the official update because you're already on it. All you need is to do is start receiving new updates so that future official versions will arrive automatically. Feature 1 is glass effect control. One of the most beautiful features in iOS 26.1 is the glass effect visual features. In iOS 26.1, simply go to the settings, display and brightness, select glass effect. You will find two options, that is clear mode, make menus and notifications look clean and calm. In that mode, adds a soft tinted background that gives the system a richer visual experience. Feature 2 is camera control from the lock screen, a long-awaited feature. Now you can disable camera access from the lock screen to avoid accidental openings or unwanted recordings. Go to the settings. Inside settings, select camera, then disable camera on lock screen. By simply scrolling down, lock screen, swipe to open camera. If you toggle this off, the camera won't open unless the phone is unlocked. A great privacy addition that prevents accidental captures. 3. New way to stop alarm and timer. Now you need to swipe the screen to stop, not just a tap button. This prevents you from turning off the alarm by mistake while half asleep. You want to return to the old behavior. Head over to the settings, select accessibility, then select touch and disable swipe to stop alarm. Select prefer single touch actions. Turn this off and you will be able to go back to the previous settings. Feature 4 is new AI language support. Apple has added new languages for AI features including Dutch, Danish, Urdu, Hindi, Turkish, and Chinese. Feature 6 is independent security updates. One of the most useful additions is go to the settings, then scroll down to the privacy and security, and here select security updates by simply scrolling down to the bottom and select background security improvements. Now you can install security updates without updating the whole system, and if you want to remove them, you can do that freely, but Apple will warn you that doing so could put your device at risk. Feature 7, Soul Borders, a new aesthetic feature. So head over to the settings, scroll down and select accessibility, then select display and brightness or text size. You'll find an option that is Soul Borders. After enabling it, you will notice the keyboard, buttons and photos become more defined with the light outlines. So like this, which gives a subtle 3D look and improves visual clarity. Feature 8, vibration on call answer, a small but very practical feature. So head over to the settings, scroll down and tap on apps, then scroll down and then tap on phone. And once you're inside here, scroll down, select haptics, and now your phone will vibrate when the person you're calling answers without needing to look at the screen. Feature 9 is fitness app without Apple Watch. For the first time, you can use the fitness app without owning an Apple Watch. You can now start and track a workout directly from your iPhone, a great improvement for users who don't want to buy the watch. Feature 10, Photos app improvements. Apple has brought back the thumbnail preview bar that existed in iOS 17, but was removed in 18. The video player also looks cleaner and modern, and so screenshots no longer cover on-screen icons like before. The look is much more polished. Feature 11, local capture call recording. The most powerful feature in this update, hands down. You can now record your regular or FaceTime calls, audio or video, and they will be saved securely in the Files app. Important note, Apple will notify the other person that the call is being recorded to maintain privacy. This means you no longer need third-party call recording apps. Performance and battery. In benchmark test, the Q's single score 2930, multi-core around 7300. That's the highest performance seen in recent iOS versions. Stability is excellent and the system runs smoother than 26.0 and 26RC. battery noticeable improvement. After the first 48 to 72 hours post-update, it's best to wait around 3 days before judging since the system will indexes files in the background after installation. Should you update? Absolutely yes. Better performance, improved battery life, more polish interface, stronger privacy and security features. If your device has issues or you want to enjoy the new improvements update right away. If your battery is already weak, you might wait a couple of days to see other users' feedback first. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.